Hello all, a warm welcome to ABODE Diaries. Today I am sharing with you all some IKEA items that I've been loving using for a long time. All these items are affordable but very stylish and useful. I've included some decorative items also, like this simple white ceramic vase. This is so simple and elegant that we can use it even without flowers. You might have seen this simple yet stylish piece at the entrance of my kitchen. These artificial flowers are also from IKEA. I bought these flowers especially for this white beauty, and they've been nesting in gorgeously ever since I bought them. It takes up very little space but gives such a stylish look to my kitchen. Actually, I love giving a touch of decor to my spaces. It really motivates me to work with more enthusiasm. This is another such a beautiful handmade piece from IKEA. This bamboo tray has added an aesthetic look to this little corner. I use this natural beauty for the decorative purpose as well as to collect the peels of veggies and fruits at the time of food preparation. I've been using these small glass jars for a long time and I'm completely satisfied with these cuties as these are not very thin. They look quite sturdy, even the lid is seal proof. I bought these glass jars long ago when there were not so many options available in this category, glass ones, and that too at such affordable prices. However, now we can find a lot of options for these glass jars in the market. I have this big IKEA beer mug, but I did not buy it for its actual purpose. I found these very useful for milkshakes and smoothies and hence bought two mugs. These really come in handy when I fast. He would say I'll be just fine. Yeah, he would tell me we have time to laugh and time to heal. You may have seen me using this coffee frother in my previous videos. When I bought it, I was doubtful whether it would be successful or not because it is so small and thin. But honestly, it works really well and I still love using it to make my frothy coffee. Earlier, I used to beat the coffee with my hands, which took a lot of time, but now with this cute buddy, I am always able to enjoy my coffee in no time. Although I am not a huge coffee lover, but sometimes I crave for a nice creamy coffee. I use this pretty IKEA basket to hold my kitchen napkins. As we all use a lot of cloth and napkins in the kitchen, and for that we need a good sized basket. Sometimes even one caddy is not enough for me to store them. This versatile basket can also be used to store fruits and vegetables like bananas, potatoes, etc. Here you can see some other napkins and towels in this caddy. I was never satisfied with the mixing bowls until I found these IKEA ones available in both small and big sizes. Their shape and design are just perfect as they have round base and not the flat one. The edges of these bowls are so well finished and smooth that you don't feel any difficulty while washing the grains as they don't get stuck at the edges. This portable toothbrush holder is another very useful product of IKEA. I found them in hook and caddy shape also. With this suction cup, it can be attached to any plain or smooth surfaces with just one or two pushes. One can use it in kitchen, washroom and study area also. No nails and drill is required to assemble it, just one or two pushes. It can hold up to 3 kgs as per the details mentioned on it. I bought these black and white IKEA kitchen towels from my very first visit to IKEA. They are neither too thick nor too thin. You get 4 pieces in a set. It has this loop also to hang on a patch or hook. With that, it's a wrap today. I shall see you in my next video. Please consider subscribing ABODE Diaries. Bye.